Roger that.
On my
David,
way.
David, you want to come with me? Come on.
Don't go with him.
Fans, stick around after the game for our Prince of Darkness Fireworks Spectacular, presented by Case's Pork Roll. You don't want to miss it.
During office hours today, I worked on the Aussie playlist. I got feedback from people in the office to see if there was anything they wanted to hear. I cut up the music so it's like the best parts of the song. I also have it like timed perfectly to what I want it to be, and I'm very excited to show the fans. Okay, so we are currently in the 6th inning. Shortly I will be contacting JP and Casey to see where they are and make sure that they're getting ready to be in position soon. I'll keep them updated the entire time through the walkie-talkie to let them know what is going on in the game so that they're more aware of just how close Fireworks Show is.
So my responsibility on fireworks nights is turning off the stadium lights. So at the end of every game, I come into the electric room and I come to the panel and I basically wait on channel 2 until the countdown, and I stand here and I have my hand on the key as soon as we start the countdown at 10, and then as soon as we hit 0, I flip it to the left.
Hey guys, get them there. We'll wrap up this game.
All right, so basically what we do for every single firework night, we set up a perimeter here. See where the caution tape's at? I come in early in the morning, set that up, so no cars can park in here. And then around 4 o'clock, our pyro guy shows up, our park ranger shows up, and then once the game starts, the fire marshal shows up. I'm in constant contact with all 3 of them. And then around the 7th inning, I call the fire truck that pulled in a little bit ago. I'm in contact with the police boat that guards the water, so no boats are driving by when fireworks are going off. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot that goes into it, a lot of moving parts. I'm not actually setting off the fireworks, but I'm an integral piece of the show, and I really like it. It's a lot of fun. Thursdays and Saturdays definitely bring a different experience for me, so.
Who wants a free t-shirt? Thunder mascots are launching t-shirts into the stands.
So what we're gonna do now, the game has ended, so we're waiting for the t-shirt toss to end, and then Liz is gonna put us into a 2-minute countdown. Once that happens, I radio Dave over at the river gate, stop all foot traffic. I let my parking guys know to stop all traffic coming this way. The park ranger will be posted up over here to stop traffic so they don't get hit by any of the fireworks shells.
All right, we're ready whenever you're up.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we go from there.
Attention channel 2, we will be starting our countdown to the fireworks countdown in 3, 2, 1, 2 minutes to fireworks, 2 minutes.
JP to Dave, we are on the 2-minute countdown. If you can stop all foot traffic. JP to parking, 2-minute warning, stop all traffic. And now we wait.
90 seconds. 1 minute. 45. Eddie, your mic is up.
Who's ready for some fireworks?
Same 459.
459. Lonnie, Amelia, and Laura.
Get that open on it, being really impressed.
I like to call it like a second
and they're
early.
gonna give us some acrobatics before we get into tonight's fireworks extravaganza. 18 seconds to go until the fireworks. Let's do the countdown. Here we go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
All right, so fireworks show's done. So Andrew over here, our pyro guy, is going to walk the parking lot, make sure no shells are on the ground that didn't explode yet. Once he gives me the all clear, we send all the traffic away, and then we're good to go.
We hope you have enjoyed the Thunder Entertainment experience and hope to see you back here real soon. Please drive safely on your way home and have a thunderful evening.